Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Andita Prameswari, with NPM 2241115. In this video, I want to make a presentation about psychological influence on buying. People do not always make rational decisions when purchasing product or service. Instead, their buying behavior is shaped by emotions, perceptions, social influence, and cognitive bias. Understanding these psychological factors can help business development better the marketing strategies to attract and retain customers. So, this is the video. The introduction in this lesson is customer decisions are shaped by psychological factor. Next is emotion, perceptions, and cognitive bias influence purchasing behavior. The next slide is key psychological factors in buying decisions. There are 5 key psychological factors. Number 1 is perceptions. This is how consumers interpret information about product. Number 2 is motivations. This is the inner drive that push consumer to buy. Next is emotions. There are feelings that impact purchasing behavior. Next is social influence. The effect of family, friends, and society. Number 8. Number 5 is cognitive bias. This is mental shortcuts that affect decision making. On the next slide is perception and buying behavior. Perception influences how consumers view brands and products. Advertisements, packaging, and prior experience create different perceptions of quality and value. Consumers also exhibit selective attentions, meaning they focus on information that interest them. Selective distortions occur when people interpret information based on their belief, while selective retention causes them to remember only what aligns with their perceptions. The next slide is motivation and buying decisions. Consumer motivation is often explained using Maslow hierarchies of needs. People buy products based on their current needs, ranging from basic survival, this is food, water, shelter, to psychological and self-fulfillment needs. There are luxury, personal growth. Understanding consumer motivations help business positions their product effectively. The next slide we have to emotional influence on buying. Many purchases are driven by emotion rather than logic. Advertisers use colors, music, and storytelling to create emotional connections with consumers. Fear-based marketing can drive urgency. Example is limited time offer, while happiness and nostalgia create positive association with brands. Emotional marketing is a powerful tool for influencing consumer behavior. The next slide is social influence on consumer behavior. There are family, friends, and culture shapes building buying habits. This is social proof, accept, review, testimonial, and impact trust. The next is influencer marketing is a modern form of social influence. Cognitive bias in consumer decisions. Number one is ensuring bias. The first page of information a consumer sees influence their decision-making process. Number two is scarcity effect. There are consumers are more likely to buy a product if they believe it is the limited supply. And number three is loss of fortunes. People tend to avoid loss rather than seek equivalence gains, making discount strategies effective. And number four is bandwagon effect. This is consumers are more likely to purchase product and are trending or popular among their peers. Okay, then let's move on. The next slide is how business use to psychological triggers. The trigger is there are three business use psychological trigger. Number one is emotional. This emotional storytelling helps brands create a long connections with consumers, making them more loyal to the brand. Number two is limited time. The limited time discounts and urgency strategies encourage impulse buying and increase short-term sales. Number three is personalized marketing and recommendation increase engagement by making consumer feel valued and understood. So there are the how business use psychological trigger, and the conclusion in this lesson is understanding psychological influence on buying behavior is essential for business. Consumer decisions are shaped by emotions, social factors, and cognitive bias. Companies can use this insight to create effective marketing strategies, but they should always prioritize ethical marketing to build long-term consumer trust. Okay, this is my presentation. I'm sorry for a mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.